what kind of problems do you commonly see the people that you coach? Are there themes that especially recently have you've noticed coming back again and again through your interactions?
Well, Artur, I think the first thing, and it may sound kind of silly to you guys, but the first thing that I make sure is that I understand. So I go and I listen at different levels. I listen what the leaders in the production area had to say, the supervisors, managers. Part of this is to listen, right? To understand the problems from the operation point of view, from the finance point of view with the numbers. And to understand what I was talking about, maybe it's going to be silly for you, is that sometimes we believe that we have a problem, but that problem is just the peak of the iceberg, right? Underneath, it's a huge, a much bigger problem. Mm-hmm. There is people who doesn't understand why they cannot attract people, why they cannot retain the talent. And they believe that it's because the factory is very noisy or they don't have the right salaries, which, believe me, those are factors. There is no doubt about it. But coming back to the environmental and social, if you don't have the right leadership, if everything that you do in manufacturing, in any industry, in my view, got to do with leadership. You can have a very good strategic plan, the tactics of that plan, but everything must be just laying on this huge layer of leadership, right? And my colleagues in the manufacturing industry, executives, C-level executives, board of directors, must have that in their minds, because the governance is precisely that. The people who really makes the governance working are the leaders, right? And from there, it cascades down.
Listen to Between Data and Risk podcast